Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Ranger timing chain noise and what could be causing this condition in certain Ford Ranger engines. Timing chain noise in the Ford Ranger generally refers to rattling, ticking, or knocking sounds coming from the front area of the engine, especially during cold starts, idle, or changes in engine speed. Verified technical information shows that timing chains are designed to synchronize engine components, and when wear or tension control is affected, audible noise can develop. This behavior is not present in all Ranger engines and can vary significantly depending on engine type, model year, mileage, and maintenance history. Documented causes show that timing chain noise may indicate wear in the chain itself, reduced effectiveness of chain tensioning components, or changes in lubrication affecting chain operation. In some configurations, related engine components that guide or stabilize the chain may influence noise levels. Older generations may experience different contributing factors compared to newer models that use updated timing system designs and materials. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on proper inspection and may involve evaluating timing components, checking lubrication condition, and assessing whether noise is within normal operating limits or indicates excessive wear. These steps are general guidance only and are not guaranteed to resolve every situation. Overall, timing chain noise in the Ford Ranger is not a single cause issue and can differ across engines and model years. Understanding general system behavior can help guide next steps, but accurate diagnosis remains essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.